Hi everybody, I'm Philipp. I'm a draftsman with more than 20 years experience in civil engineering constructions. Actually employed and very happy about that at Gähler und Partner in Switzerland. Lately I'm working on a BIM infrastructure project. We are planning a tunnel in LOG 300 and I do that with Allplan bridge. Even though I didn't had any experience in parametric modeling before. Yeah, so why do it parametrically? I was just pretty afraid of modifying a conventionally designed 3D model. It's one thing to create the model, but a complete different thing to modify later on. So you need the axis. I could import it. It's the road axis. It's actually not the tunnel axis. Then, of course, you need a cross section. Something like this. It's a pretty different thing to design a parametric cross section. I needed a view for the project, so this is the inner ring with the ceiling. I have the base section as well. It's like this. I have the protection ring of it like this. Tunnel is shifting around the road axis in relation to the angle of the road. This is here the road angle. If I modify this, the tunnel is shifting. Yeah, so what we see here is the center part, the middle part of the tunnel. It's widening up, has a technical cavern, and this is made with the same cross section. We can see this. It's this one. The same cross section, just different parameters. I can show you this also. Here it changes, widening up, and now we can see in the cross section below the variations. Yeah, it's a nice tool. So what we also see, I prepared the base section protection ring. Doesn't fit yet. We can see it here and here. This is because of wrong parameters or not finished yet. So prepared that as well when I changed the parameters. then it fits much better. So not perfectly yet, but already much better. What we can see, here's one station missing. What we can see, the program fits this cross section to the next one. And if I have to write parameters, it fits perfectly. So, of course, here it will be a wall later. I will modeling this conventionally. Will be easy. Also, the ceiling has some variations because we need space for the ventilators. We open it up a bit here, very nicely. What else? I created this concrete wall. It's a powerful tool and you can use it for many different things. This is also made out of one cross section, and the rest is made by those variations. Is a model of the base sections. The pilot. Then we have the security, the bay protection ring. Yeah, so many things possible with this powerful tool. I'm pretty glad to have it, and it was a bit hard at the beginning, but very happy with it. Export to Allplan works perfectly. Takes a while sometimes. It's a large project. Yeah, I'm curious about to reinforce it, but I'm pretty sure it will work as well. My next challenge will be I will try to use Allplan's visual scripting for post-export procedures as attributing, colorization and stuff. And yeah, maybe next time. We will see. Probably ChatGPT will do it for me. Don't know yet. So, if there are no questions, have a good time. Bye bye.